Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to save GIF from Giphy. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type in giphy.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Giphy. Make sure you're logged in to your account. In this interface you'll be able to find several GIFs over here. So once you find the GIF you want to save, what you have to do is click on that particular GIF. Now you can see over here that particular GIF will be opened. You'll be able to find the options like favorite, copy link and download over here. So in order to download it, what you have to do is click on the download option that you can see on the screen. Now the GIF will be saved to the downloads. So that is how you download GIF from Giphy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.